Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream One if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Okay, so today I actually am uploading some information to my Etsy account, and I said, hey, let me just show you guys really quickly how I make my watermarks for my Etsy shops and how I upload my digital products. So I don't know if you're interested in this, but if you are, I'm just going to show you what I do and how I get everything ready for my Etsy. I do have an Etsy shop and I sell digital products. If you did not know, it is called, of course, Do Dream On. All right. And these are some of my products. This is actually one of my top seller. You see, it's 11 people have that in the cart. Y'all love the Black Queen clip art. And then I have more clip art. I have rolled paper templates. I have things for breast cancer awareness. I have templates. I don't even know if you guys knew I have Instagram post templates. I have tons and tons of things, guys. Well, not tons and tons, but I do have a few. Here's a nice fall clip art. But yeah, more fall clip art. Halloween. I have to put my other girl back up on here for Halloween. I have to fix her. But yeah, I have a few things on here and I have so much more that I haven't even loaded, y'all. But I do have some new breast cancer awareness clip art, and I want to show you how I make sure that they're watermarked and I upload them to my Etsy. Okay. Now we know there's always multiple ways to skin a cat. So if you saw someone doing something differently, that's a-okay. This is just how I do it. So we are going to go inside of course, Canva. And what I previously did was I made a 3000 by 3000 pixel image inside of Canva. And then I made it black background and I typed out Do Dream On in white. And then I made that transparency 66. And then what I did was I also typed out, hey dreamer, thanks for stopping by. I let them know that it is a digital product for personal and small business use. They can use it for up to 500 orders, not any more than that. Okay. And I told them they can contact me for mass production and all rights are reserved to Do Dream On LLC. That's me. I have different things for different projects. So these are some of my other clip arts. Y'all know I love me some sunflowers, cherry blossom, butterflies, roses. Y'all know I love me some roses. But anywho, so what I do is I just copy and paste things over and over so that I don't have to keep doing it. So this is kind of like my Etsy images template. So what I'm going to do is I made a new page. I'm going to go to my uploads and I have some new breast cancer awareness images and some more images that I have. And these are my images. So these are my girls. Okay. I have full rights over these images. They are mine. Okay. And so what I do is I go ahead and I just copy this dreamy clip art. I'm Commanding C in it, Commanding V in it, and I'm putting that there. And then I'm taking the Do Dream On words. I'm Commanding C, I'm copying it, Commanding V, and I'm just pasting it over my image. So this can be my listing, but so someone can't steal my image. Okay. So this is what I'm going to put on the listing so people can see what I'm selling. And then I'm going to make another blank page and I'm going to take that same image and I'm going to make her larger just so they can get an up close of my image. I'm taking these watermarks. I'm Commanding C, Commanding V, and now it's completely covered. Okay, so now I have that listing. I will literally do the exact same thing for my other images. I could put them together. So it all just depends. I could put them together. And if I put them together, it will go something like this. Okay, so if I want, I could put them together. I could sell them together. I actually think I might sell them together, but I could sell them together if I wanted to, or sell them separately. It's completely up to me, but that's how I would make the listings so that I can post them and then so no one could take them. Okay, so that's that. And now let's go over to Etsy. So I am in the back end of my shop manager and I clicked on listings. I didn't show you guys everything just because it's just my personal back end office. So I didn't want to show everything, but I am under listings. So what you would do is once you download those images in Canva, you can save them to your desktop or a folder, whichever you like. And now we're going to add those photos here. So before we add them, I'm just going to go over briefly what you can have under a listing. You can have your photos. I'm going to go over it in detail in a second though. You can have your photos, you can have videos, the listing details, which include the title, category, when it renewed, the type, the description, the tags, the pricing, the quantity, and then if it's personalized, if it's shipping, these are digital products, so there will be no shipping. And then we'll put the weight if it were shipping, the size if they were packaging it, etc. Okay, so I just want to briefly go over that, but I am going to go over the steps that I personally take for my shop. Okay, so now I downloaded everything from my Canva and now I'm going to add the photos. So under photos, it said add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. You can use up to 10 photos to show your items' most important qualities, and then it gives you tips. So if you are using like your own personal photos, you want to make sure you're using natural light, no flash. You want to make sure it's common object for scaling. Show it how it's held or worn, depending on what you're using. You want to shoot it with a clean and simple background, etc. These are digital products, so this will be easy. So now I'm just going to add the photos. Okay, so for this image, I am just going to add these 3 photos for this particular image, and it uploads all 3 of them. Okay, I selected and held down shift, selected the photos, and now they are loading. You can play around with which photo you want as the primary photo. This is the primary photo that I want. This is the image larger, and then this is the information letting them know that it is a digital download. Okay, you can adjust the thumbnail if you needed to. So I kind of want to make sure they see this part. I can redo it if I want, bring this dreamy clip art down. Okay, so I just fixed my thumbnail so I can have the dreamy clip art and the image visible in the thumbnail. Okay, so when you're doing this, you want to make sure that everything looks good so that people can click on and purchase what you're trying to sell. All right, so that's it for the photos. I'm only uploading 3 photos for mine. I'm gonna go ahead and scroll down. I could add videos. I can do a video on YouTube or a reel or anything, and then I can just add that so that they can know exactly what to do. This is optional. You do not have to do this, okay? Then the listing details. So because I've done this already, I typically go to my other clip art and copy and paste or change things around. So for my title, you want to make sure you're including keywords that the buyers will use to search for your item. So breast cancer awareness image, black girl breast cancer survivor, black girl clip art, etc. So these are the things you'll put in the title. So about your listing, you want to give more information. So who made this? I did. You can put I did, a member of the shop, or another company or person. So I'm going to select I did. What is it? A finished product. The other option is a supplier tool to make things, but this is a finished product. When did you make it? I made it 2020 through 2022. And then they want to know what category. So use 2 to 3 word description of your items to get a category suggestion. So I'm going to put, it automatically does this because I did this already, clip art and image files. And I'm going to put a space between clip art. So clip art and image file. Make sure you press enter because then it opens up and gives you more selections that you have to do. I had to come back to do this. So once I select the clip art and image files, what has to happen now? It says shoppers will find these items in all of these categories: crafts, paper, paper mate, card making and stationery, materials, embellishments, scrapbooking, clip art and images, etc. Then I have to select the craft type. The craft type, I'm just going to go ahead and put card making and stationery. And then for primary colors, I can select the colors. I will not, because sometimes you don't want to put too much information. So I'm not going to select any primary or secondary colors. I'm not going to put the length and width. I'm not going to put the occasion or the holiday. I'm not going to select subjects. Sometimes you can do too much and then it confuses things. So you don't want to do too much. Okay. Sometimes less is more, and this is one of those times. Then they ask you when you renew it. So when will I renew this? I'm going to keep it on automatic. It says this listing will renew as it expires for 20 cents USDA each time. And instead of manual, I renew expired listings myself. I don't want to do it. I want them to go ahead and renew it. And then we have the type. Is it a physical, tangible item or digital? This is a digital file that buyers can download. So now we have the description. They want you to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features, how shoppers can find it, the first few lines, etc. I am not going to type it all out. I'm going to go to my Black Queen clip art. And I'm literally going to select all, Command A, Command C, and then I'm going to go back over here and Command V, and I'll go through it with you, okay? Okay, so what I'm going to do is grab my title, and I'm just going to put this is digital art of a breast cancer awareness image. I'm going to put a Black woman breast cancer awareness image. And I think I'm going to put that in my title too. Black woman breast cancer awareness image, Black girl breast cancer survivor, Black girl clip art. This is a digital product. Then it says this can be used for planners, journals, stickers, sublimation items, your website, invitations, tumblers, mugs, notebooks, shirts, etc. You will be able to download files immediately after purchase. No physical material will be shipped. You always want to make sure that you're doing that for digital products so people won't give you bad reviews or be upset or think they're going to actually get something. I think I want to change that to by downloading products, they are not refundable. By downloading products, they are not refundable. What's included? Clip art is 3,000 by 3,000 pixels. No license requires for personal use and small business. Commercial use for up to 500 orders. You can put whatever you want on here. That is just my preference. All copyrights are reserved. These are my images. You may not sell any JPEG, PNG, SVG, or any type of digital files that are included any of my images in the original or modified versions. You cannot add my clip art on backgrounds, add text, and resell it as a new design to other businesses. You can't make public or share art you can't make public or share it in any Facebook groups, allow anyone to download it or redistribute it or anything that is prohibited. You can't claim the work as your own. You can't sell as part of another clip art. You can't resell, share, claim, transfer, loan, copy, or give away this file. How to download. It gives you information on how to download. You purchase the listing. And then it just gives you the steps. You guys can read that. Don't hesitate to contact me with any questions and or concerns, and I appreciate you, and I'm always willing to assist in any way I can. All right, so that's under my description. You can figure out what you want to put under your description, but that's what I have under mine. And then production partners, there are no production partners. So the tags are really important because this is what helps people find your items on Etsy. Etsy is a huge shop, so we want to make sure that when people are searching that these tags will come up, okay? So we can definitely do black art, black clip art, but we want to even do breast cancer. So it doesn't let you do more than 20 characters, okay? So we're going to do breast cancer, black clip art. Okay, so I went ahead and found 13 tags to put on there because I was trying to think. So I went ahead and put 13 tags on there. So they're searching any of these 13 things. Hopefully this will come up, okay? Now, before we go further, I did want to show you what I added. I did add just the words and then just the image so that you'll get 3 images with this item. You'll get the image together, then you'll just get the breast cancer warrior, and then you'll just get the black girl clip art. Okay, so I did go ahead and separate those 3, and you'll get all 3 of those. Now for the price, I will put $4. And then I'm gonna put $9.99 for the quantity. I don't have any SKU, and that is optional. And then I'm not gonna put any personalization. And then I'm going to upload the digital files. It shows here buyers can download these files as soon as they complete their purchase. All right, so you can put a note to the buyers. You can do whatever you want here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and upload the files now. Okay, so I went ahead and uploaded those files. I just clicked upload file and then selected the ones that I wanted to attach. Okay, so there are the files there. And then now they have the returns exchange information. It says no returns or exchanges. They can contact us if they have issues, etc. All right, so this is how I personally do my digital art. Okay. Then now I'm going to go ahead and publish it. Okay, before you publish your listings, they do want to make sure that you're about to publish a new listing. There's a non-refundable fee of 20 cents for each new listing. By publishing, you agree to pay this fee, and then it just shows all the information that you can read. And then we're going to press publish. And now you see that listing has published. Yay! It is live. Anyone can go and purchase that image right now. And I did go ahead and upload the other one as well. But yeah, y'all, that is how I personally upload my digital clip art. Like I said, there's multiple ways to skin a cat. That's just how I do it. And I'm so happy you guys watched. And that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. If you have not already, please join our Facebook group, Crafty Queen Dreamer. We love it over there. Please follow me on Instagram. Do Dream On is the handle. TikTok, Do Dream On is the handle. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Anywho, y'all be safe out there, you hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.